Welcome to this video on how to post a client review by WiselyWise. We are an authorized Zoho partner, and we encourage you to choose wisely. Our agenda today includes an introduction to WiselyWise, why client reviews are important, and the steps for posting a client review. WiselyWise is a global digital transformation company specializing in AI, EdTech, and cloud solutions. We are a Zoho authorized partner, providing expert implementation and support. Client reviews are important because they fulfill a Zoho partnership requirement, provide actionable feedback for refinement, and recognize team effort, boosting morale. To start, click the link to access the WiselyWise profile page on the Zoho site. Once you are on our profile page, look for and click on the Customer Reviews text. In the visible Customer Reviews section, click the Write a Review button to begin your submission. You will then be prompted to sign in to your Zoho account to complete and submit your review. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your support and feedback.